Welcome to this moment of tranquility and self-connection. Begin by finding a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Allow yourself to retreat into the calmness within, feeling the space around you, present yet unobtrusive. Focus on your breath, letting it flow naturally and effortlessly. With each inhalation and exhalation, feel your body relaxing more deeply, releasing any tension and embracing the peace that surrounds you. Remember, you are in the perfect place at this moment. There is nowhere else you need to be. This time is for you. A sacred alignment with the universe. For self-reflection and inner peace. If it feels right, give yourself a gentle hug. Feel the warmth of your embrace, or visualize this comforting gesture. Embrace the energy of gratitude, letting it fill you with warmth and appreciation for this moment. Visualize this energy of gratitude spreading throughout your body, as if the universe itself is hugging you, reassuring you that all is well. In this space, there's no need to change or do anything. Just being here, present, is enough. Now, let's deepen our connection to self. Every breath is a step closer to your innermost being. Embrace the idea that everything in your life is unfolding perfectly. Allow yourself to trust in this journey, feeling the energy of trust wrap around you. Take a moment to appreciate all that you are, all that you've been, and all that you will become. Your entire being is unique and precious. Focus on the feeling of thankfulness, letting it fill every part of you, reinforcing the beauty of being you, here and now. Gently bring your awareness back to your body. Notice the sensations within, the alignment of your physical and emotional self in this peaceful moment. Remind yourself that you deserve to feel good, to be at peace, and to be loved by yourself. These feelings are your birthright. Stay connected to these feelings for as long as you wish. When you're ready, return from this meditation gradually, being mindful of your body's weight and the signals it sends you. Open your eyes only when you're ready, feeling refreshed and connected. Today, you've done a wonderful job embracing your inner self.